If you want to cancel your Grammarly AI subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can cancel it quickly and without confusion. This is helpful if you no longer need the paid plan, want to avoid future charges, or simply want to switch to a different writing tool. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your Grammarly account. You can do this by opening Grammarly in your browser and logging in with the email address that's connected to your subscription. Once you're inside your account, look at the left-hand sidebar. You should see an option labeled Account. Click on that to open your account settings. Now, in the Account section, look for your account. Under that, select Subscription. This is where Grammarly keeps all of your billing and plan details. If you're currently on a paid plan, you should be able to see the cancellation option here. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're logged into the correct account because the cancel button only appears for active paid subscriptions. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the subscription page. Near the bottom, you'll find the option to cancel subscription. Click that to begin the cancellation process. Grammarly may show you a confirmation screen or ask whether you want to continue. If that happens, click yes, continue or continue, depending on the button you see. After that, Grammarly will ask you to choose a reason for cancellation. This is a normal step, and you can select the option that best matches your situation. Once you've chosen your reason, click Cancel Subscription to confirm everything. At this point, your cancellation request should go through. In many cases, your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, so you may still have access for the time you've already paid for. It's always a good idea to check your account page or email confirmation to make sure the cancellation was successful. And that's it. You've now cancelled your Grammarly AI subscription. As you can see, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials, app guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.